Today we're taking a look at the Decina Elisi Freestanding Spa Bath. This high-end spa bath is powered by a 750-watt 3-stage heat boost pump and controlled by a remote for the ultimate luxurious bathing experience. The Elisi Spa Pump is discreetly integrated into the bath's shroud, allowing for a seamless bath design when positioned within your space. The comfortable 1700mm length and centre waist makes the Elisi Spa Bath suitable for 2 people to relax together for an indulgent master ensuite edition. The 14 flush mounted jets are strategically designed and placed throughout the bath to maximise the full body massaging effect. Lumbar jets positioned on either end of the bath provide additional relief for the lower back and hips. Finished in a high gloss, this white sanitary grade acrylic allows for easy cleaning and care. To add a little bit of decadence to your space, you can't go past the stylish Elisi Spa Bath. We'd love to help make your next project a blue space renovation, so give us a call today. For more information and to view our complete range, visit thebluespace.com.au.